Everyone, good day. In today's video I will show you how can you export your data from your Google account. Okay, so if you use Gmail, there are multiple services you are automatically enrolled in, like all the Google services. Okay, so let's assume you use YouTube, Gmail, Google Photos, Google Task, Google Calendar, etc. So what you can do, you can individually export every single data point. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to this website. It's called takeout.google.com. It's for the data exporting purpose. Okay, you see I have some latest exports here. Okay, so I will first deselect all. If you go to takeout.google.com, you can see all the available data points is available here, like access log activity, alerts, Android device configuration service, art and culture assignments, every single thing, blogger, calendar, canvas, classroom. So based on your usage, some data points may be huge and some data points may be large. For the information and demonstration sake, I will select a small data set here. You can see you can export your Google home data, Google keep data, location history, mail, maps, messages, every single thing. Okay, phone audio profile, which are available to Google from your device or from your browse actions, etc. and usage. Okay, so let's say I want to export this Google Task data. Google Task is a small note-taking or task management app. It's very minimalistic and lightweight. Okay, so I will it's showing me I can export task data in JSON format. JSON is JavaScript object notation. After that exporting, you can use that JSON format to any your application. Okay, so that is beyond of this demonstration scope. Okay, I will show you how can you export Google data. Okay, specifically I will export Google Task data. Okay, so what I have to do, I will just click on select here. You see 1 of 70 selected, and next I will go to next step. Okay, and how you want to data, I want a download link to via my email, or you can add to Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. Okay, so I want to send download link via mail. Okay, and for your data you can export in 6 files, and which will export every 2 months data in one file. That will be 6 export, or you can export in one single file. Okay, I am choosing this one single file, export once. Okay, you can define your zip format, .zip or .tgz, tgz. Okay, and you can see there is a file size limit here, 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB, etc. Let's select 2 GB for here. If the size exceeds 2 GB, in my case, it will separate into multiple files. Okay, so I think my task data is very low volume. Okay, I am good to go with 2 GB. Okay, so I will click on create export. You see my export is in progress. Okay, this process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. In my case, this may not take many time because my task data is very low. After exporting, Google will confirm you it's you or not. Okay, so I will go to my Gmail. You see, first of all, it will give you a warning that you are created this data export activity. Also, in another mail, data will be delivered to you. Okay, you see my data is available here. I can download my files from here. I have to reconfirm my password. You see, this is my data. It's already started downloading, or you can click on download here. Okay, so let's check this data out. So this is my data. I will extract it. So you see, this is the JSON file I talked about. This is my Google Task data in simple JSON format. Okay, so data is available with all the details and all the fields. Okay, so I think if you want to export any Google data, this tool takeout.google.com can be very helpful to you. Okay, so this is again takeout.google.com. okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.